Greetings, class. We have STAAR testing coming up, and I have a few tips that'll help you. First off, get plenty of rest the night before. Don't stay up late. Eat a healthy breakfast. Our cafeteria offers one. Get here, it's free. Bring a healthy snack. Now, those include lots of things, but also things that are not messy. No Takis or greasy chips or things like that. Use the dictionary. There should be one at every desk. Now, if you can't find a word in the dictionary, try pulling off the ending and look up the root of the word. For example, like in class when we had trouble finding anticipation, we looked up the word anticipate. Use a thesaurus. There's only 4 per class, so you'll need to raise your hand and ask the teacher for one if you want to use it. Thesauruses are great when you want a word that means the same thing. It's sometimes a shorter way to get to understand the meaning of a word. Read. Read your passages and annotate. Make connections with the text. If it's poetry, you want to read it at least 3 times. Informational text, fiction, drama, things like that, you need to read at least once, of course, but reread sections mentioned in the questions or any sections you don't fully understand. Now, to annotate means to make notes, draw pictures, ask questions, underline, and highlight things that stand out to you. Let your brain process the information. Summary questions. You need to be able to pick the best one. For fiction, we've talked about strategies like somebody wanted but so then, or using a plot diagram to plan out the events. Beginning and middle and end is okay, but not always the best. Informational text, you need to get important details and not unimportant details. One strategy is to do who, what, when, where, and why. Text evidence. Be a detective. Look back in the text to prove your answer right. Circle or highlight your proof. Know where to look. Highlight the passage title to make sure you're looking for text evidence in the correct passage. Especially hard when you're comparing 2 different passages. Know which one to look in. Read all your answer choices before you decide on an answer. Toss out answer choices you know are wrong. Keep an eye on the time. You have 4 hours. You can take bathroom breaks between reading passages, or take a brain break. Close your eyes for a quick second, stretch, but don't be a distraction. Ignore other test takers. Everybody takes tests at their own pace. Do what works best for you. Do your best. Don't waste time or get distracted.
One minute, please. Time, thank you. Could you all please put down your pens and bring your papers to the front of the room? Thank you. Well done. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry, you're too late. Gave you plenty of warnings about time. You fail.